Okay, it's April 30th. This is 25152 Southport Street. Anthony DiBiase. This is the first time we've used the washer since the repairman was here. You can see the not draining error code. This is the cycle it was on. That's what's going on there. You can see the clothes are inside. This is the very first time we used the washer since the repairman was here. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can lift the top. It's locked. I'm going to press pause. That's what happened after I pressed pause. The top still won't lift. Press pause again. There's my clothes sitting in the water. Okay. Now press start again. And this is what happens. And it'll just stay that way. Okay. Let me just check what time it is.